What's your favorite pet animal?
Hello. What is your favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Let me see a rabbit. Oh, it's a beautiful rabbit. Very good. Hello, Lordina.
It's my turtle.
Yeah, it's your turtle. Very good. Hello, Rosie. Hello. Okay, what is your favorite animal?
No.
Very good. It's a dog. Oh, wow. Fantastic. Hello. Okay, what is your favorite animal?
Dog.
Yeah, it's a turtle. Very good. Fantastic. Fantastic. Hello. Hello. Hello, Fatima. What is your favorite animal? Wow. Very good. It's a fish. Hello, Luciana. Hello. Dime hello. Okay. What is your favorite animal? A cat.
Cat.
Yeah, let me see your cat. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Hello, Gorby.
Duck.
Yeah, it's a duck. Your favorite animal is a duck. Yeah.
Pig.
Yeah, very good.
Duck.
What is your favorite animal?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. Hello.
Hola.
Hello. What is your favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Very good. Let me see a rabbit. Oh. Hello, Ali.
Hello.
Oh. What is your favorite animal? What is it? A fish. Very good. It's a fish.
Very good!